Very good evening. Thanks for joining us here on Mirror Now. I am Afrida Rahman Ali. Let's get you the latest on the resident doctors' protest that is currently underway in the national capital, where doctors have been protesting for weeks now over the NEET PG delay in the counselling, in the admission counselling of the NEET PG. And now, of course, they are threatening to intensify their stir. After threatening mass resignations, now the doctors have said that they will head to the Supreme Court tomorrow for a march. Remember, doctors have been forced to consider these drastic steps since no concrete measure is being taken up by the Union Health Ministry on expediting the NEET PG admission counselling, which would add more doctors to the workforce and hence reduce the burden on the existing doctors. Ayushman joining us live. Ayushman is right there on the ground tracking for us all the updates, especially with the candlelight march that is supposed to begin this evening. Let's go across to Ayushman and see what's happening there. Yes, Ayushman, over to you. Tell us where exactly you are, what's happening around you at the moment. We can hear a lot of sloganeering already.
Well, Afrida, we are outside Safdarjung Hospital where these doctors, the resident doctors, are protesting outside Safdarjung Hospital. This is a daily affair. Daily, these doctors take out this candle march and they protest against the delay in NEET PG counselling that has happened so far. In fact, all these doctors have been protesting in front of Nirman Bhavan for quite a long period of time. In fact, we have the FORDA president also here, Dr. Manish, who has in fact written that they are going to mass resign if the demands are not met. Dr. Manish, you are going to mass resign. This is also something which the FORDA is contemplating. क्या कारण है कि आखिर आप लोग resign करने की हद तक आ गए हैं?
As you must have been seeing that we have been on road since last 10 days and we are not being heard. The governments are so arrogant. The government is so arrogant that they are not listening to us. So we have decided that we will give a mass resignation if required.
You also had a meeting today in FORDA. The meeting was there for all India representatives. What is the outcome of that meeting?
Actually, in that meeting, we have discussed how to approach further. Tomorrow, actually, we are deciding to march to Supreme Court. So, in that meeting, it was discussed how to go to Supreme Court. And since government is not listening to us, so we are trying to raise our voice to Supreme Court.
So that is the idea, Afrida. Perhaps the government is not listening and the communication channels are completely closed. It remains to be seen as to when and how the doctors resign, because now they are saying that this is the last resort that they have. But before that, they are going to march to Supreme Court. You can see all these doctors who are present over here, quite a lot amount of resident doctors who are present over here. They are all protesting against the delay in the NEET and PG counselling. And if you see here, this is the Safdarjung Hospital on my left, where the patient's care in emergency, in OPD and the routine services has been deeply impacted. And it is not just Safdarjung, RML, GTB, all these hospitals are currently crippling because the resident doctors are on strike. Back to you.
Yes, Ayushman, you're right in the middle of that march that is happening right now. But explain to us what exactly the doctors are planning. Like we just heard, they are saying the government has been arrogant. Any word coming out of the center on how the government plans to deal with this? Has there been any efforts to reach out to the resident doctors? The meeting that happened was within the FORDA to decide the next course of action. What about meeting representatives of the government? Is there any plans in that direction?
Well, so far what we know, because these resident doctors are the one who have been speaking to the ministry. The meetings have gone inconclusive, and we have been covering it at Mirror Now relentlessly, and we have seen that dialogues have failed. What has happened at the central government's point remains to be seen, because if we talk to the doctors, क्या सेंटर की तरफ से कोई बातचीत अभी तक हो पाई है? कोई जब मंत्री जी के साथ वो मीटिंग फेल हुई, इसके बाद क्या हुआ?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। 1 महीना हो गया हमारे प्रोटेस्ट का और 1 हफ्ते से हम ज्यादा समय हो गया कि निर्माण भवन के सामने भी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, पर मंत्री जी के सामने से कोई मीटिंग का बुलावा नहीं आया है और कोई भी बातचीत नहीं हुई है।
अब आगे क्या, इसके बाद क्या करेंगे?
देखिए, हमने मास रेजिग्नेशन का जो पैन इंडिया कैंपेन है वो चलाया है। इसके अलावा जैसा आपने देखा होगा कि FORDA के लेटर में दिखा है कि कल हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ मार्च करेंगे और अपने प्रोटेस्ट को और आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
मुश्किल है, सरकार की तरफ से कोई न्योता नहीं आ रहा, कोई बातचीत नहीं हो रही, कितना मुश्किल है इस प्रोटेस्ट को कंटिन्यू करना?
इस प्रोटेस्ट को अभी तो देखिए पूरा पैन इंडिया सब लोग हमारे साथ एकजुट जुट चुके हैं। 10 दिन हो गए हैं हमें कंटिन्यूसली इमरजेंसी और इलेक्टिव सर्जरी सर्विसेज बंद करे हुए। तो दिल्ली के खुद के 5 बड़े अस्पताल पूरी तरह से बंद सर्विसेज चल रही हैं। अभी तक ये 10 दिन से बंद है और फिर भी सरकार को कोई असर नहीं पड़ रहा, कोई इनिशिएटिव उनकी तरफ से नहीं आया है। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है।
आगे क्या लगता है, आप लोग मास रेजिग्नेशन की थ्रेटनिंग भी दे रही हैं, कोई डायलॉग अभी तक नहीं हुआ है?
अभी तक हमारी तरफ से तो एक प्रपोजल है कि कुछ हम मास रेजिग्नेशन का भी एक आइडिया लेके चले हैं। हो सकता है हम इतने मजबूर हो जाएं कि हमें करना भी पड़े। अभी तक कुछ है नहीं, हो सकता है कल तक सरकार की तरफ से कुछ इनिशिएटिव आए ना आए, अभी तक कुछ कह नहीं सकते।
Clarity, Afrida, that you see these doctors are clearly saying that they don't have any idea what will happen. That's why they are even contemplating the idea of even mass resignation. But for now, the dialogues have failed. At the same time, there has been no clarity from the centre's side as to when this matter will be expedited in the Supreme Court.
Yes, and at the receiving end are a number of patients. You just mentioned that it is not just Safdarjung, the other hospitals, RML, GTB, these are public hospitals, government-run hospitals, where a lot of people have to go for their treatments, are suffering at the moment because of this protest. Ayushman, stay on with us. We'll come back to you. There are more updates we need to track with you. Stay with us.